Okay, today we're going to look at decimals and specifically adding and subtracting decimals. So a couple of examples. So here we've got 3.2 add 2.71. So first thing to remember is line up the decimal points or the same place values. Remember, it's the same place value for whole numbers, but for decimal points it's easy because they all have a decimal point. Now here it was 3.2, so if you need to, fill a gap in with a 0 so you actually remember to do that bit. It's especially important here because the most common mistake people make is they don't have the 1 carried. So let's look at this first one. So 3.20, because I've added the extra 0, plus 2.71. Well, 0 add 1 is 1, 2 add 7 is 9, and 3 add 2 is 5. So we end up with 5.91. Slightly trickier with the subtraction. So we've got 15.324 minus 8.17. So again, we put them together. We line up our decimal points. All the same place values are lined up. Here I've added 2 zeros, one at each end, to make sure I remember to do that bit. So 4 take away 0, because a lot of the time people would just miss that bit out. So 4 take away 0 is 4. 2 take away 7 we couldn't do. So we took the 3 down to a 2 and carried the 1 over. So now we've got 12 take away 7, which is 5. 2 take away 1, which is 1. And then 5 take away 8 we couldn't do. So we took the 1 down to a 0. So 15 minus 8 is 7. And we had the 2 zeros at the end, so we don't have to worry about subtracting those. So we ended up with 7.154.